Welcome back to Exchange Server Administration. In our previous video, we have tried to restore the complete database. But if complete database is fine and only a single user mailbox is affected, he or she has lost a complete inbox item, in that case, we can use this process of restoring the mailbox by using recovery database. So in this video, we will restore a backup in a different location, that is EDB and log files will be restored in a backup drive, and we will create a new recovery database by the name of recovery DB and will perform the soft recovery on that, and after that we will mount the recovery DB and we will create a new restore request for a user Jack mailbox, and then we will verify the restore and will remove the restore request. So let's jump to the server and get started. Right now I am on an Exchange server, that is EX02 2019. If we go to the Jack user mailbox, you can see the mail inside the inbox of a Jack user. So let me minimize it and let's go to the backup. Try to do a backup once and we will choose the different option, the custom, click on next. We will add the items database and log drive, that is F, click on OK, advanced settings, and we will choose the VSS full backup and we'll click on next. And for the backup destination, we will choose the backup drive, that is G drive, and here we have E and F. So let's try to backup it. So backup process has been started and now it's completed. So let me close and you can see the time of a backup, that is 6:36 p.m. So now inside the mailbox, for an example, you lost the complete inbox of a user Jack. That means all the mail of the user has been deleted. And let's try to delete it from the deleted items as well. So let me select all and delete the all emails from the deleted items as well. So now all the emails has been deleted. Still he can recover from the recover deleted items, but there is a situation comes if you don't have any option with the recover deleted items as well. So the mailbox is completely lost now. So there is no email inside the Jack user mailbox. So now our goal is to restore mailbox using recovery database. So we have a backup here. So let's try to recover it. So this computer, we have a backup on a local computer. So let's click on next. And the latest backup is 6:36 p.m. So let me go with that. And here we have a files and folder, volume and applications. We want to restore our backup in a files and folder. So let me click on next. And here I will try to check with the DB01 2019. You can see here the EDB file. Let me click on next and I will restore it to the another drive. So let me click on browse and select our G drive. Let me create a new folder by the name of RDB, that is recovery database. Let me click on OK, next, and let's try to recover it inside that folder. So it is completed now. Let me close it. And we have to do the same for the log folder as well. So let's try to run that process once again. The latest backup, next, and the files and folder, and at this time I will choose the log folder. Here you can see the F drive, that is log. So let me select the log. Here are the transaction log. So let me click on next and try to save it inside the G drive. We'll create a new folder by the name of RDB logs and let's click on next and try to recover it there. So it's starting, it is completed now. So let me close this. So we have successfully recovered our logs and EDB files. You can see we have a RDB logs and database inside the G drive. So let's go to the command prompt. Let's navigate to our RDB folder, that is inside the G, and run the esc mhdb01 2019.edb. You can see the operation completed, and if we look here, the state is dirty shutdown. So let's try to run ecutl/r, that is the soft recovery, E00, and L is a path for our log, that is inside the G, and /d is a path for the database. So let's run the soft recovery and the operation completed. So let me try to run this command once again. And now if we see the state, now you can see the state is clean shutdown. So now we can mount the database. So let's go to the Exchange Management Shell and try to run this command. Let new mailbox database server ex02 2019, and the name is recovery db. So recovery db will be created, and recovery edb file path will be grdb for the edb, and the log folder path is inside the grdb logs. So now the commandlet has read successfully, and you can see the recovery db was created using existing file. So let me try to mount the database. Let's see the statistics of recovery db. You can see we have all these mailbox inside our recovery database, and we are just looking for the jack mails because we lost the jack mails and we want to restore it from the recovery database. So let's run this command. Let new mailbox restore request, and the name for the request will be jack mailbox restore, and the source database will be the recovery db, that is the recovery database, and the source store mailbox will be the jack, and the target mailbox is also jack. So let's try to run this commandlet. So the commandlet has ran and it's queued. So if we see this, it is completed. So let me go to the mailbox, and now you can see we have all the mails back in our place, and the mailbox restore request for techijack.inside is completed. We have all the mails back now. So let me run this commandlet, that is get mailbox restore request, and the name of the request was the jack mailbox restore, and remove mailbox restore request. Let me press Y. Now the request has been removed, and we have successfully recovered our mails for the user jack through the recovery database. So I hope you got it. So let's meet in the next video.